Can you really go from 0 to 100K a year using Kajabi? And if so, how long does it take? In this video, I'm gonna give you the clearest, simplest path to get from just starting to 100K a year on Kajabi with 3 product offerings. Now, I'm gonna get into what all of that means, but before I do, if you haven't joined Kajabi yet, right now is the time to do it. There is 20% off monthly plans for a year. What that means is that you can join Kajabi on a month-to-month basis, and for the first year, get 20% off all the plans. And when you use my link to do it, you get some pretty amazing bonuses. First, you're gonna get the Kajabi Accelerator course that I built just for those of you who are starting out on Kajabi to get the best possible start on the platform. You're also gonna get my exclusive masterclass, the top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make that I discovered helping 400 people get their start. And you're gonna get my 25K course launch email template, which are the exact emails that I used when I launched my first course, which did over 25K. All of that is yours at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. When you go there, it's gonna look like this right at the top. Get 20% off Kajabi for a year. Just click on the button that says get 20% off Kajabi, and that takes you to my affiliate page on Kajabi. So this is an affiliate link, obviously, so I do get a small commission when you use my link, but you get all of those bonuses that I mentioned earlier just to say thank you. And it's at no additional cost to you. In fact, right now it's at a discount. If you're watching this down the road for some reason and the 20% off discount is over, never fear, because Kajabi is always there for you. I can offer you a 30-day free trial through the same link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. At the top of the page, the most current, up-to-date information will be there. And you still get all of those bonuses that I mentioned. But if you're watching this like right now, you can get 20% off your first year. So for this video, going from 0 to 100K, we're gonna focus on the basic plan. And the reason why is you can get the 20% off the first year on the basic plan, and you have 3 products, 3 funnels. And I wanna talk about what exactly would my plan be if I was going to choose the basic plan and I wanted to get from 0 to 100K per year. So let's talk about it. First, I want to just mention who I am. My name's Lane. I've built a multiple 6-figure business using Kajabi. I have 2 online businesses. One is geared towards pastors. It's over at preachingdonkey.com, all powered by Kajabi. And then I have this business, my personal brand, Lane Sebring, where I help people replace their 9-to-5 income with a thriving online business without hustle, grind, or having to build a large social media following. If you're into that kind of thing, be sure to subscribe. And I'm gonna dive into what you can do here on Kajabi. Now, the basic plan has the 3 products. And if we're trying to get from 0 to 100K per year, the simplest path is this. It's going to be a combination between coaching, a course, and a community element attached to that course. And we wanna work backwards, because if we're gonna make 100K divided by 12 is $8,333 a month. So we're just gonna round it up to 8,400. So it's because it's like 83,334, but let's just round it up to 8,400. So we're solidly in the 100K range. So what does it take to make $8,400 a month with 3 products? The very first product that I would set up on Kajabi is coaching. I would do one-on-one coaching. The reason why is you can actually do one-on-one coaching right away. I mean, as soon as you open up shop, before you even do a whole bunch of content, you can offer coaching just by saying to the people who follow you, whether it's posting on social media or emailing your list if you have a list yet, and just saying, hey, I have spots available for personalized one-on-one coaching, and then taking clients. And I did this when I first started this brand, my personal brand, Lane Sebring, all the way back in 2020. I had just started, and I reached out to my list and just said, I have some spots available for personalized one-on-one coaching. And right away, I had 2 clients take me up on it and buy $2,500 coaching packages at the very beginning. And all I was helping them with was writing and publishing their first book. And it was like the most amazing thing to me that I could do that before I was like an established person. And now my coaching costs a lot more money, and I help people not so much with books anymore, but now with Kajabi in particular, and starting a business like this, helping people start and grow their businesses. But it all started just by saying, I've got spots. Now, there was more to it than that. There's more to kind of getting that thing into motion, setting it all up on Kajabi. If you're interested in that, I have a video right here that will walk you through exactly how to set things up on Kajabi and get your first client. So click right there if you want to see that. So if we're working our way to that $8,400 a month number, my way of doing this is to look at about $1,500 a month coming from coaching. And the way that you can easily do this is if you average about $500 per month per client and get 3 clients. Now, you might think $500 is a lot of money, and it is a lot of money, but you would be surprised what people are willing to pay if you have a knowledge, skill, expertise, and they want to learn it directly from you. The reason why one-on-one coaching can be a lot of money and you can charge a lot for it is because of how valuable it is to get that information directly from you, to have you looking over their shoulder and speaking into their exact situation. And so my suggestion is aim for around that 500 times 3. If that's kind of crazy for your market and that's too much, you could cut it in half and do $250 a month times 6, but you don't want to bog yourself down with too many coaching clients. So again, I would try to keep it around that 3 coaching clients and about $500 per month. And check out the video that I mentioned earlier in terms of how to get clients. The second product that I would suggest making to get us to that 8,400 mark is a course. Now, I love for this experiment, I love to think about a $300 course. The reason why is because you only have to sell 15 of those each month to make $4,500. So now we're up to $6,000 between coaching and courses. So let's talk about what this course could look like. A lot of times I suggest that people start with a mini course. $300 is a little bit much to charge for just a mini course, but you could still build a mini course that you sell for about $100 or $150, but then have a upper tier on that course, a premium tier that allows you to charge a little bit more for it, maybe attach a call with you or a little bit of access to you in some way to the course, or maybe some premium bonuses to the course that you only get with that upper tier to get it from like that $100 to $150 mark to $300, so that you can average about $300 per sell of that course. Now, if you want to look into exactly how to build a course out on Kajabi, whether it's a mini course or a more full-length flagship course, I have an entire playlist for you that will walk you through kind of the technical components of building a course, and then also just kind of how to think about structuring the course so that it produces the best result for your students, gets them transformation, and becomes something that they rave about to their friends. And if you want to see that, click this playlist right up here. So far, we have a coaching product and 3 clients per month, totaling about $1,500. We now have a course, and we only have to sell 15 copies a month to get to 4,500. Now we're at 6,000. Now to get from 6,000 to 8,400, we have $2,400 to make up. What I would suggest is attach a community element to your course. What does that mean? It means that there are going to be people who join your course but want ongoing help. Maybe they want access to a monthly Q&A, monthly live Q&A with you. They want to be able to communicate with each other in a community about the material that you're talking about in the course. So what you want to do is attach a community element to the course and charge $40 a month for it. $40 a month for a membership site, a community, is not that expensive. It might sound expensive if you're thinking in terms of like what Netflix costs, but again, in this business, it's not the Netflix of, it's not a catalog, it's a path. So in this community, you're giving people a clear path, clear guidance, clear direction from you, and a community of curated people that can communicate with each other and help each other. And so to get to $2,400 per month coming in, you would only need 60 people. So as you're selling courses, you can help people understand the value of joining the community. So they buy the course, they get in the community, and maybe those people turn into some of those one-on-one clients that you have because they're in your course, they're in your community, and they're like, hey, I want to go deeper. And so they start signing up for one-on-one coaching. To attach a community to a course is actually super easy. I can show you in this video exactly how to do it. And so between the links that I've shown you up here in the card, which will also be down in the description, you can see how to make a coaching product, how to make a course, and how to attach a community to a course. Now, the question is, how long will this take to get this to 100K? I want to make sure you understand that this type of thing doesn't happen overnight. You can make the coaching product and get clients right away. The course takes a little while to build because to do it right, the way that I teach, you have to really think about the journey that you're taking people on. What are they trying to escape from? Where are they trying to arrive to? And what are the milestones that your course is going to teach them along the way? That takes time. It doesn't have to take a lot of time, but it needs to take time. And you have to be building content out along the way to help people understand the need that they have for your products and get them into your course. And then the community aspect will come as more people join your course and you're able to invite more people into it. But I will say that you could, if you did this exact path, be on your way to 6 figures in a matter of months and at 6 figures within the year if you really, really hustled. What this means is that in the window of time that you have where you'll be getting 20% off Kajabi, you could join the basic plan for $119 a month and get 3 products up and running so that by the time you go to paying the regular price, which is $149 a month, you are making money. And what's cool is if you just switch to the annual plan, you still get the 20% off. And so let's say you get to the end of the year and you say, I am no longer a month-to-month person. I know this business is working. You can just switch to annual and you keep that $119 a month rate until the cows come home, which is really, really cool. So that's the exact path that I would suggest jumping into. So go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Get all the bonuses that I have for you because between the Kajabi Accelerator course, the exclusive masterclass on the mistakes to avoid, and the email template, you'll have everything you need to implement all of this and be well on your way to 6 figures. Now, if we look at this, if you're watching this anytime around the time I put this out, there's only about 1 day left to get this. So you don't want to sleep on this offer. 20% off lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Go there right now. I can't wait to see what you do inside Kajabi. Now, I want to mention that there are 5 stupidly simple things that you can do once you're on Kajabi to make more money on Kajabi. Like, how do you make the most amount of money on Kajabi? I'll show you in this video right here. 5 of my favorite ways to make tons of money on Kajabi. So click right there and I'll see you in that video.